Find the mean proportion of four questions are given over there 5 and 18, 1 by 12 and 1 by 75, 8.1 and 2.5, a minus b and a cube minus a square b, and a is greater than b. So let's solve one by one. Consider x as the mean proportion of 5 and 80. So we can write 5 is to x is to means is equal to x is to 80. So we can write x square is equal to the 5 into 80, that is the multiplication of the second and third will be the multiplication of the first and fourth. Okay, so you will get the x will be is equal to root over 400, that comes to 20. So the mean proportion of 5 and 80 will be is equal to 20. Come to the next problem, that is the consider x as the mean proportion of 1 by 12 and 1 by 75. So always you can take x as the mean proportion. After that, write in this way that 1 by 12 is to x is to, that is equal to x is to 1 by 75. After that, I will multiply the second with the third one, that is the x square will be is equal to multiplication of the first and fourth. So that comes to x is equal to 1 by 30. So the mean proportion of 1 by 12 and 1 by 75 will be is equal to 1 by 30. Come to the next problem, that the mean proportion of 8.1 and 2.5. Again I will take x as the mean proportion, then 8 is 0.1 is to x is to x is to 2.5. Again I will multiply the second and third, that is the x square will be is equal to 8.1 into 2.5, that comes to 20.25. So x will be is equal to root over 20.25, that comes to 4.5. So the mean proportion will be the 4.5. Come to the fourth problem. So again we will take x as the mean proportion of this one. Ultimately we can write that the x square will be equal to a minus b into a cube minus a square b. So we can get x square is equal to a minus b into a square into a cube minus b. So you will get x square will be equal to a square into a minus b whole square. So a will be equal to, so x will be equal to a into a minus b. So therefore the mean proportion of a minus b into a cube minus a square b, and a if a greater than b is a into a minus b. Come to the next problem. If a 12, 16 and b are in continuous proportion, find a and b. So it is given that a 12, 16 and b are in continued proportion. So we can write a by 12 is equal to 12 by 16 is equal to 16 by b. So let's do one by one, part by part. A by 12 is equal to 12 by 16. After that, the cross multiplication, that everybody knows it, that a into 16, that is 16a is equal to 12 into 12 is equal to 144. So the value of a will be 144 by 16, that comes to 9. Again, similarly, 12 by 16 is equal to 16 by b. Come to the cross multiplication, that is 12 into b is equal to 16 into 16. That comes to 256. So b will be is equal to the 21 whole 1 by 3. Come to the next problem. What number must be added to each of the numbers 5, 11, 19, and 37 so that they are in proportion. So what number must be added to each of the numbers? So let's take x to be added to 5, 11, 19, and 37 to make them proportion. So 5 plus x is 2, 11 plus x is 2, that means equal to 19 plus x is to 37 plus x. So after that we can written as in the form 5 plus x into 37 plus x, that is a cross multiplication, nothing more than that, is equal to 11 plus x into 19 plus x. After a further calculation, one or two steps, you will get this one, you will be is equal to this one. After that, a little bit simplification, x square will be striked out. So x will be is equal to 2. Okay. So that's a easy sum, but it came in the previous exam many times. Okay. So the least number to be added will be 2. Come to the next problem. What number should be subtracted from each of the numbers, that is 23, 30, 57 and 78, so that the remainders are in proportion? So, what number must be subtracted from each term? So, if it is x, so let's subtract the minus x, minus x, minus x, minus x. After that, we will form the 23 minus x is to 30 minus x is to 57 minus x is to 78 minus x. After that, cross multiplication. After that, a little bit simplification. X square will be striked out. You will get x will be is equal to 6. So 6 is the number to be subtracted from each of the numbers. Come to the next problem. If k plus 3, k plus 2, 3k minus 7 and 2k minus 3 are in proportion, find k. So we have to write that this one into this one is equal to this one into this one as the same system. After that, a little bit further calculations. K plus 1 into k minus 5 is equal to 0. So either k plus 1 is equal to 0 or k minus 5 will be is equal to 0. So k will be is equal to either minus 1 or k will be plus 5. So the value of k will be the minus 1 or 5. Come to the next problem. If x plus 5 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9, find the value of x. So come to the solution part. That x plus 5 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9. So we can write x plus 5 square is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 9. After that, a little bit calculation, that is the simplification. You will get x will be is equal to 7. You can take the screenshot of this particular sum. Come to the next problem. What number must be added to each of the numbers 16, 26 and 40 so that the resulting numbers may be in continued proportion? So consider x be added to each number. So 16 plus x, 26 plus x, 40 plus x are in continued proportion. So after that we can write 16 plus x divided by 26 plus x is equal to 26 plus x divided by 40 plus x. After that, a cross multiplication. After that, you will get this much. After that, a little bit further calculation simplification process. You will get the 4x is equal to 36. So x will be is equal to 36 by 4, that is 9. So 9 is the number to be added to each of the numbers. Come to the next problem. find two numbers such that the mean proportional between them is 28 and the third proportion to them is 2 to 4. So consider A and B are two numbers. So it is given that 28 is the mean proportional. So A is to 28 is equal to, or is to B, that is 28 is to B. So we can write AB is equal to 28 square. Okay, is equal to 784. So A will be is equal to 784 by B. I am writing that this is equation number 1. We know that 2 to 4 is the third proportional. That A is to B is equal to is to, that is B is to 2 to 4. So B square is equal to 2 to 4A. Write equation number 2. Now substituting the value of A in equation 2, that is putting the value equation A 1, that is A is equal to 784 by B, put it in equation 2. Okay. So you will get B square is equal to 2 to 4 into 784 by B. So we can get B cube is equal to 224 into 784. So after that one step calculation, you will get B will be is equal to 56. By substituting the values of B, that is B will be is equal to 56 in the equation 1, you will get A will be is equal to 784 by 56 will be 14. Therefore, so 14 and 56 are the two numbers. Come to the next problem. If B is the mean proportional between A and C, prove that A, comma C, A square plus B square and B square plus C square are proportional. So it is given that B is the mean proportional between A and C. So we can write it as B square is equal to AC. Okay. Put it equation number 1. We know that AC, A square plus B square and B square plus C square are in proportion. So we can write A by C is equal to A square plus B square by B square plus C square. After that the cross multiplication. After that using equation 1, A into AC plus C square is equal to C into A square plus AC. So we get the AC into A plus C is equal to A square C plus AC square. So here AC into A plus C is equal to AC into A plus C, which is true. So therefore it is proved. So this is the way we can prove. Come to the next problem. If B is the mean proportional between A and C, prove that AB plus BC is the mean proportional between A square plus B square and B square plus C square. So it is given that the B is the mean proportional between A and C. So B square is equal to AC. Write equation 1. Here AB plus BC is the mean proportional between A square plus B square and B square plus C square. So we can write AB plus BC square is equal to A square plus B square into B square plus C square. Consider the left hand side LHS is equal to AB plus BC square. So expanding by the formula, that is the a plus b whole square a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? That a square b square, that is ab square plus 2 into ab into bc plus bc square. Use the formula or using equation 1. So a square into ac plus ac into c square plus 2a into ac into c. So therefore you will get the AQC plus AC cube plus 2A square plus into C square. Taking the common AC common, you will get A square plus C square plus 2AC. So AC into A plus C whole square. Right hand side, that is A square plus B square into B square plus C square. Using equation 1, A square plus AC into AC plus C square. Again taking common terms out. A taking A, so you will get A plus C, and again take C as a common, you will get A plus C. So AC into A plus C whole square. So it is proved that LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side. Come to the next problem. If y is mean proportional between x and z, prove that xyz into x plus y plus z to the power cube is equal to xy plus yz plus zx to the power cube. So it is given that the y is the mean proportional between x and z. So we can write y is equal to xz. Put it equation 1. Okay. So left hand side xyz into x plus y plus z to the power cube. So we can write xz into y into x plus y plus z to the power cube. Using equation 1, that is y square is equal to xz. Okay. So here y square into y into x plus y plus z to the power cube. So y cube into x plus y plus z to the power cube. So we get y into x plus y plus z to the power cube. By further calculation, you will get xy plus y square plus yz to the power cube. Using equation 1, xy plus yz plus zx to the power cube is equal to right hand side. So hence it is proved. Come to the next problem. If A plus C is equal to MB and 1 by B plus 1 by D is equal to M by C, prove that A, B, C and D are in proportion. So how to solve? A plus C is MB and 1 by B plus 1 by D is equal to M by C. It is given. So A plus C is equal to MB, dividing the equation by B. Okay. So A by B plus C by D will be equal to M. Write it equation number 1. 1 by B plus 1 by D is equal to M by C, multiplying the equation by C. Okay. So 1 by B plus 1 C by B is equal to C by B plus C by D. So that we get A by B. So A by B is equal to C by D. Therefore, it is proved that A, B, C and D are in proportion. Come to the next problem. If X by A is equal to Y by B is equal to Z by C, prove that x cube by a square plus y cube by b square plus z cube by c square is equal to x plus y plus z to the power cube divided by a plus b plus c square. The number 2 and number 3 are also there. So let's solve one by one. So it is given that x by a is equal to y by b is equal to z by c. Okay, so put it as is equal to k. So x will be is equal to ak, y will be is equal to bk, c will be is equal to ck. Okay. So left hand side a x cube by a square. So put x a k. So a cube k cube. Similarly, for the y will be the b cube, ck cube. Similarly, z will be the c cube, k cube divided by a square, b square, c square. Okay, so after that we will get the a k cube plus b k cube plus c k cube. So taking the common terms k cube, you will get a plus b plus c. Come to the right hand side, that is given over there, x plus y plus z cube divided by a plus b plus c to the power square or to the power 2. So we can write, and as it is the same form, ak plus bk plus ck to the power 3 divided by a plus b plus c square. So after that, taking k common, k cube, so a plus b plus c cube will remain, and after that a plus b plus c square. After that, we can write k cube into a plus b plus c. That is here square, here cube. 3 minus 2 will be 1, a plus b plus c will remain. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Okay. After that, see the a square, that is I think number 2, a square x square plus b square y square plus c square z square divided by a cube x plus b cube y plus c cube z to the power 3. Okay. So again put the a square will remain, and in place of x put ak. So ultimately, just in place of y you have to put bk, in place of z you have to put ck. Okay, and here also in places of x put ak, in places of y put bk, in places of c put ck. Okay, after that a further calculation, you will get these digits: a to the power 4 k square plus b to the power 4 k square plus c to the power 4 k square, and in the denominator part a to the power 4 into k plus b to the power 4 into k plus c to the power 4 into k to the power cube. After that, a little bit calculation, you will get k square into a to the power 4 b to the power 4 c to the power 4, and here is also 1k. So a to the power 4 b to the power 4 c to the power 4, so 1k k square. So 1k will remain. So and this a to the power 4 b to the power 4 c to the power 4 will be striked out. So 1k will remain, k, so k cube. Come to the right hand side, x y z to divided by a b and c. So put x ak, b y bk, and z ck up divided by a b c. So a b c will be striked out, only k cube will remain. So ultimately left hand side will be is equal to right hand side. Okay, come to the next problem. See, left hand side, ax minus by divided by a plus b into x minus y plus by minus cz divided by b plus c into y minus z plus cz minus ax divided by c plus a into z minus x. So it can be written as ax minus by divided by a plus b into ak minus bk. So the similar way, put the ak in places of x, place bk in places of y, place the ck in places of z, just like this. After that, a little bit calculation or the clarification or simplification, whatever may be. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, the left hand side will be is equal to 3, will be is equal to the right hand side, just like this. Okay, come to the next problem. If a by b is equal to c by d is equal to e by a, prove that this one will be is equal to this one. So let's four problems are given over there. So let's come the one by one. So a by b is equal to c by d is equal to e by f is equal to k. Okay. So accordingly, a will be is equal to bk, c will be is equal to dk, e will be is equal to fk. This is your first job. After that, come to the left hand side. That is the b square plus d square plus f square into a square plus c square plus e square is equal to ab plus cd plus efs square. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. So let's come to the left hand side. That is the b square plus d square plus f square into a square plus c square plus e square. So we can write it as the b square plus d square plus f square into the b square k square d square k square f square k square. After that, taking the common terms, that is the b square d square f square. Here the k square is the common term, so you will get b square plus d square plus f square. So we get the k square into b square plus d square plus f square. Come to the right hand side. That is the AB plus CD plus EA square. So AB, so here B into KB, because see initially A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK, E is equal to FK. Find the values of just the A, B and C. So we are writing the A, B and C. See, in places of A we will write the BK, and in places of C we will put DK and FK, just like this. After that, we will get b into kb plus dk into d plus fk into f square. So we get kb square plus kd square plus kf square. So taking the common terms, k square into b square plus d square plus f square square. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. After that, see the come to the next problem. In the left hand side, it is given a cube plus c cube whole square divided by b cube plus d cube square. So it can be written as b cubes k cube plus d cube k cube divided by b cube plus d cube whole square. So just put the values of a and c, nothing more than that. Okay. After that, taking the common terms out, after that striking off, after that you will get the k to the power 6. Okay. Come to the right hand side. Again, you have to put the values of e, that is the f to the power 6, k to the power 6, f to the power 6 striking out. So what will remain? K to the power 6. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next part of the equation. That is the question. In the left hand side, it is given over there a square by b square, c square by d square, e square by f square. After that, put the values of the a, b and e. Okay. After that, we will get k square, k square, k square, 3k square. Come to the right hand side. AC plus BD, AE divided by DF plus AE divided by BF. Okay. After that, what you have to do? Just put the values of the A, C or E, C, whatever may be the values. After that, you put the values. You will get again k square, k square, k square. So 3k square. So left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Come to the next question. Left hand side BDF into AB by B, CD by D, E plus F by F at cube. After that, B, D and F will be in the outside. After that, put the values of the A, C and E in the form of BK, DK, FK. Okay. After that, BDF will be in the outer side common. After that, B into K plus 1, D into K plus 1, F into K plus 1 divided by B, D and F to the power cube. So that we can get BDF K plus 1, K plus 1, K plus 1 cube. So BDF into 3K plus 3 cube. So it is coming the 27, the BDF into k plus 1 right cube. Okay. After that, come to the right hand side. That is the 27 into a plus b c plus d e plus f, as it is written as 27 b plus bk plus b into dk plus d into f k plus f, taking the common terms out, that is 27b into k plus 1 d into k plus 1 f into k plus 1. So you will get the 27 bdf into k plus 1 to the power cube. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side.